Hey, Jay from Jay's Taking Tips back with another video. It's going to be a quick little video. If you've been following the series, you see I got all of my gaming equipment stolen, trying to replace it all. One of the things that they stole, well, for some reason they didn't take mine. Let's see if I can get this out the way so you can see it. My hard drive. I don't know why they didn't, but I guess when they were jerking wires out, they took the cord to my hard drive. It was a mess trying to find a replacement of this one exactly. So I went to let's see it. So I went to eBay. I did buy one from Amazon, but it was just a third-party one. It wasn't the one specifically for the hard drive that I have. So I went to eBay, and I found this one. That is supposed to be the exact same one. Doesn't look like it. It's supposed to be the exact same one for my specific hard drive. So let's just get this plugged in and see how it goes. I already have the hard drive powered in, the power on. So we're just going to see if this works. Okay, look at it. If you see the screen, let's see if it pops on. Okay. Nothing. There we go. Jay's external hard drive, storage ready. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. You can get some real good deals on eBay. Everything is not a scam. Just to let you know. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.